to Tony Muntana no chere say there have been lucrative offers Kumasi Asante Kotoko captain Samba receive from Libya and Morocco. Na Samba no like I said the other time bibi bien komo su bi kire o say Sandel no Africa Kotoko any clubs korona omo pe Samba no betimi a compete. Now the deals are going through the agency, Pro Sports agency for them. Omo ena communicate ya man say uko Morocco a club akubi wo ho. I friend of fire back. Ededam other club. And Libya so for no atwa mo say omo pe the services of Kumasi Asante Kotoko captain. Now in hwehwemu abeda di ne say according to Tony Muntana enumere ya na eba was say Samba to stay at Kumasi Asante Kotoko no 5% over 100%. Sa offer no over 100 5%. Let's just say the likelihood for the Congolese man to stay for the next season for Kumasi Asante Kotoko no small based on the report filed by Tony Muntana. One said Tony Muntana anka say zero. So ka say 5%, I say 1% krana. There is a chance of staying. Inti memijidi of 5% than the other 95 na kano. This is the reason. Sakotoko league way na obabo Champions League next year. Mekan ni fia say Samba sika Kotoko new board na ye o madwen say ometua ma no obeje na watena. This is exclusive news. Amede mawo e ofia. 85% no. And secondly, teams no more no still na Africa no Samba no nso edim komo futufo o maka kire ne se masa Africa no unu aba akono ko Libya alale Benghazi ndi busumi nsia na omuso omu mpeni biom osaba agai ka betamu a examples the doso nti obekọ ba bi saa obedwen the development eno na ama 5% no likely say me de still na am ojiri of 5% no. 85% chances is that Samba could stay for Kumasi Asante Kotoko.